Nowadays, people are most involved with social media. Suppose our popular social medias will stop working, mobile services and internet will be fully stopped for a few days or months. Then what will be our conditions? Have you ever thought that one day this situation may come to our modern life? Yes, this terrific situation can happen if the solar storm hits our Earth. Normally, the sun is smooth, round, and peaceful. It is the only source of energy in our planet. But when it suddenly vomits radiation and plasma in random directions, these solar flares and coronal mass ejections (CMEs) can heat Earth and have serious consequences for humanity. Hi friends, welcome to our channel Payal and Shudipta. Today we will discuss about this solar storm. What is solar storm? How it is occur and how it is bad for us. So stay with us at the end of this video and share with your friends and relatives to aware about these cosmic events. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, and to get notification first, please press the bell icon next to it. While the sun seems pretty solid, it's actually like a very hot ocean. So hot that it rips atoms into electrons and nuclei, all flowing around each other in a plasma. This plasma is pushed around and shaped by the sun's magnetic field. Similar to how the sun's gravitational field reaches out to the planets and shapes their orbits. But magnetism is very different from gravity. It is one part of a dual force. It is called electromagnetism. On the sun, the plasma made of electrically charged protons and electrons create a magnetic field as they move, and this field then shapes the flow of particles. They are stuck in a dynamic feedback loop called a dynamo, which keeps the sun's magnetic field alive. This magnetic field stores enormous amounts of energy and leaks out over the solar system. It carries with it a constant trickle of solar plasma like a light rain known as the solar wind, creating a shot of solar weather. But it's not always calm and smooth. As the sun's plasma churns and flows around itself, its magnetic field gets all kinked and twisted. This creates magnetic knots that build up enormous amounts of energy. When it breaks like a tangle of springs, then the sun can vomit plasma and other awful things into the solar system. These are called solar storm. Recently, scientists declared that a solar storm is first approaching to hit planet Earth at the speed of 1.6 million km per hour. How does it affect our civilization? The storm erupting from the sun will be hitting the way towards the earth, and the collision of solar winds are too hot to handle for the earth's magnetic field. So it will impact communication, energy transmission, and also whether in the region a strong electric currents from the solar storm can cause changes in the Earth's ionosphere, affecting the high frequency radio communications, mobile phones, and also GPS signals. According to NASA, radio communication for flights bound to and from the transpolar region will be affected by this solar storm. Now there arises a question: whether Earth has been hit by such solar storms in the past or not? Above 32 years ago, 1989, in March, a solar storm caused a 9-hour blackout at Hydro-Quebec's electricity transmission affected Canada. However, the largest solar storm occurred in 1859, which was called the Carrington event. Now, the scientists claim that the incoming solar storm can accelerate farther than 1.6 million kilometers per hour, and its impact can be felt on the subsolar point on the sunlight side of the Earth. However, as the Earth has faced such a similar storm in the past, some of them even larger than the current one. So, we hope that these too shall pass.